Hi there, my name is Mrs. Weatherholt, and I am a science teacher at Concord Junior High, and I am the science teacher for the blue team. So I just want to take a moment to introduce myself and kind of let you know the plan that we have uh, going on for you guys here. So I know that if you well, I'm hoping that if you are watching this video, that you watched the video on the previous screen of uh, Mrs. Robinson and you have been introduced to her. Um, so, Mr. Overmyer and Mrs. Robinson and I have worked together on kind of coming up with a plan to best assist you guys with your science and what was doing things with science um, while Mr. Overmyer is gone. And so, what I wanted to go through with you is your overall agenda of what you guys are doing this week. And so, here on this second slide, I have listed what you're going to be covering this week. So today you're going to start out by completing the Ed puzzle. You will go ahead and you can click on this link and get logged in to Ed puzzle by using your Google login. And then I believe that you already have a class that Mr. Overmyer had started for you, but now you should have a class that Mrs. Robinson has also started for you. And so log into that one that Mrs. Robinson has started, and there is a video there about how old is everything. You'll watch that video, complete the questions, and I make sure you submit it for your grade. And then on Tuesday, you're going to do an activity that is in the lab manual, and it's activity 10, Earth's history. And as you complete that activity, you're going to go through here and complete these slides. So on Tuesday, you're going to complete slides 1 and 2. So you'll start out by reading the intro in your lab manual, then do the green box here. This getting started and answer this question in red. Don't forget, you need to write definitions for your keywords right here. And then here are some general directions of what you're going to be doing. And you can click on these purple boxes and drag and drop them to create your personal time scale. Okay. On Wednesday, you're going to be doing an activity called Understanding Geologic Time. And that activity looks like this. You have a copy of it made for you in Google Classroom, but make sure that you open it in Cami. And then there is a video here that you'll watch about what if the Earth was only 24 hours old? How would that play out? And after you watch that, you're going to label at least 10 of the events listed here in this clock. And this clock is a 24-hour clock. It's not a 12-hour clock. So starting here is at midnight. And then here's 1 a.m., 2 a.m., 3 a.m., and then keep going around here, 6 a.m., 9 a.m., and then noon is down here at the bottom instead of it being 6. So this is what you can imagine if during the day, the 24 hours, the hands of the clock only went around one time instead of twice. Talking about the hour hands. And then, so if this is noon, then here this would be like 3 p.m. in the afternoon, and then 6 p.m., and then 9 p.m., and then back to midnight. So you'll just read through these and label those different times here on the clock. On Thursday, you will be working on activity 10 again. This time you're going to complete slide 3. And here there are some blue boxes behind my picture here. And you will read those and then put them in the order of events by how you think that they should go. And then finally on Friday, you are going to finish up activity 10 by completing the analysis questions. Oops, so there are a couple building understanding questions here that I would answer, and then I would answer these 3 analysis questions by typing your answers directly here into the blue box. And I believe that Mrs. Robinson is also going to host a Google Meet on Friday, so you can meet with her and have a class discussion on any questions that you guys have that about the assignments this week. Okay. Well, I am looking forward to working with you guys kind of in a remote way, but also with Mrs. Robinson. And I hope everyone has a great week. See ya.